Do welders make good money? There are many welding career paths that you can take, and some will pay you more than others. If you are a highly skilled welder, who is open and willing to travel far from home, then you could make over $125,000 a year. This number could be higher if you are in a welding field that is considered hazardous or dangerous. What are the highest paying welding jobs? To get a greater understanding of the welding job industry and what type of welder makes the most money, a list of the ×6 is beneficial. Underwater welder. An underwater welder can be the highest paying welding job. The salary ranges anywhere from $54,000 to $300,000. As an underwater welder, there are the options of going into the oil, gas, military, or shipbuilding fields. Being an underwater welder comes with numerous risks. Not only do you have to weld in the ocean depths, but you also have to know how to use the tools properly while doing so. Military support welders. As a military support welder, you have the chance to earn up to $160,000. These welders are the second highest paid welders in the industry. As the military is a wide arena, there are plenty of welding jobs available. Some jobs will be risky, and some are less so. For example, as a military support welder, you could do anything from repairing and maintaining equipment in the States to welding a pipeline somewhere abroad. Before becoming a military support welder, you have to decide what branch you want to be a part of. Each military branch has different welding needs. Industrial pipeline welders. A welder in this position has the potential to make somewhere between $35,000 to $105,000. The variance is so large because the amount depends on how dangerous of a job it is. Pipeline welders can be found welding pipes in any type of environment, from hot and buggy swamps to frigid rural Alaska areas. As a pipeline welder, you have to be able to contort and position your body as sometimes awkward poses in order to complete the welding job. Certified welding inspectors. Certified welding inspectors (CWI) have a minimum salary of $80,000, and it will only climb from there. The maximum amount for this position would depend on what company the CWI works for. The CWI is responsible for performing safety checks on all the welds on site. The CWI needs to ensure that there are no cracks or defects. In addition to this, the CWI is responsible for testing the durability of the material that has been used. There also needs to be documentation reviews and equipment checks. In order to help you to learn more about welding, we've put together awesome informations for you that we want to share with you. Are you going to WeldingTroop.com, and there you can see all articles about welding.